How do you talk about the weather forecast?
It's going to rain. The forecast says rain. The weather forecast predicts rain, better bring an umbrella just in case.
How do you mention a new hobby?
I like painting. I'm starting a new hobby, painting. I've taken up painting as a new hobby. It's a fantastic way to express creativity.
How do you express your love for your family?
I love my family. My family means a lot to me. My family is my rock, providing unwavering support and love.
How do you express your excitement for a sports season?
I like this season. This sports season is exciting. This sports season has been exhilarating, with unforgettable games and moments.
How do you talk about unusual weather patterns?
The weather is weird. The weather has been unusual. The recent unusual weather patterns have been quite fascinating and unpredictable.
How do you express gratitude to a family member?
Thank you. Thanks for your help. Your support means the world to me. I'm deeply grateful.
How do you express appreciation for family traditions?
I like our traditions. Family traditions are important. Our family traditions are cherished memories that bring us closer together.
Keep practicing and you'll be even better.
How do you express your admiration for an athlete?
I like this athlete. This athlete is great. This athlete's dedication and skill inspire me. They are truly remarkable.
How do you talk about enjoying the weather?
I like the weather. The weather is nice. Today's pleasant weather is perfect for a long walk and enjoying the outdoors.
How do you mention a creative hobby?
I like knitting. Knitting is my hobby. Knitting allows me to create beautiful and functional pieces. It's so rewarding.
How do you mention a relaxing hobby?
I like reading. Reading is relaxing. Reading provides a tranquil escape, allowing me to unwind and immerse in stories.
How do you express your enthusiasm for an upcoming sports event?
I'm excited for the game. I can't wait for the game. The anticipation for the upcoming game is palpable. It's going to be a highlight.
How do you express your love for family gatherings?
I like family gatherings. Family gatherings are fun. Family gatherings are a joyous celebration of togetherness and shared memories.
How do you express your love for spending time with family?
I like being with family. Family time is important to me. Spending time with family fills my heart with joy and strengthens our bond.
How do you talk about weather changes?
The weather changed. The weather has changed. The rapid weather changes have been quite noticeable and intriguing.
How do you mention a favorite hobby during winter?
I like skiing. Skiing is my favorite winter hobby. Skiing down snowy slopes is my ultimate winter delight.
How do you express excitement for a new sports season?
I'm excited for the new season. The new sports season looks promising. The new sports season has an air of excitement, promising thrilling matches.
How do you mention an outdoor hobby?
I like hiking. Hiking is my hobby. Hiking in nature is my way to reconnect with the environment and find peace.
How do you mention a weekend hobby?
I play tennis. On weekends, I play tennis. My weekends are often spent on the tennis court, honing my skills.
How do you talk about the weather in a different location?
It's sunny there. The weather there is sunny. The weather in that location is gloriously sunny, perfect for outdoor activities.
Keep practicing and you'll be even better.